Hello everyone, welcome to the Abhi. Today we are unraveling the intriguing concepts of monkey testing, a distinctive approach in the realm of software testing. Join us as we break down the fundamentals, explore its types, dive into its advantages, and address its challenges. Friends, welcome to Abhi, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, let us know what is monkey testing. Monkey testing is a fascinating technique. It involves the testers providing a random inputs to an application or a software and observing how it responds. We will explore this method by looking at how it checks an application's behavior, detects crashes, and operates as form of random and automated unit testing. This is all inspired by the infinite monkey theorem. Friends, let us know the features of monkey testing. Let's dive into the key features of monkey testing. The first and foremost in this list is it requires testers with domain and technical expertise. Its randomness often makes defects reproduction nearly impossible. Results might not always be accurate due to its inherent unpredictability. Unlike traditional testing, there is no specific script or plan. It's a go-to when regular testing doesn't identify defects, ensuring system reliability and efficiency. Friends, let us look into the applications of monkey testing. Monkey testing finds its place in various scenarios such as database testing through random data insertions, testing for OSWAP issues with pre-compiled and random data, emulating random data insertion similar to monkey activities. Friends, let us know the types of monkey testing. There are mainly three types of monkey testing. The first and foremost in this list is dumb monkey test. Friends, in dumb monkey test, the testers has no knowledge about the application. Testers don't know if their input is valid or invalid. Testers also don't know the system capabilities or the flow of the applications. Dumb monkey testers cannot find the bugs as the smart monkey testers, but they can also find some important bugs that are hard to catch by the smart monkey testers. This testing is mainly done if an application is released into the market. The customer who is not an educated person or don't have prior experience in handling that type of applications, then how he will find uncomfortable or how he will find the issues in handling the application can be known to the company through this dumb monkey test. This is why company perform dumb monkey test. Friends, next one is smart monkey test. In the smart monkey test, the testers have a brief idea about the application. Testers know its own location, where it can go and where it has been. Testers also know their own capability and the system capability. In smart monkey test, the focus is to break the system and report the bugs if they are found. Friends, third one is Brilliant Monkey Test. In the Brilliant Monkey Test, the testers who has the domain knowledge of the domain is assigned to test the application by the manager. The test engineers know the pattern of the product usage and can perform testing from the user view. Friends, do you know the advantages of monkey testing? Let us uncover the benefits of monkey testing. The first and foremost thing in this list is testers have creative freedom to design tests, leading to novel bug discoveries, and execution is easy with the use of random data, and it requires less specialized skill, making it accessible. For this, minimal setup cost due to its random nature. Friends, do you know the challenges of monkey testing? Let us explore the limitations of monkey testing. The first and foremost one in this list is reproducing the defects from random tests is challenging. The accuracy of results can be inconsistent. Testers need strong domain and technical knowledge for better accuracy. Test duration can be prolonged due to its unscripted nature. Friends, we had explored the unpredictable world of monkey testing. Hit that play button, engage with the content, and equip yourself with the insights into the unique testing methodology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with the fellow testers and tech enthusiasts. Thanks for turning into Abhi, a YouTube testing tutorial channel, your destination for insightful tech discussion. Let's conquer the uncharted territory of monkey testing together. Friends, I had made this video to share my knowledge with you. I hope it will be helpful to you. Friends, please click on subscribe button to get notification on the latest video. I request you to please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your lot of support to our channel. I hope it will continue forever.